we are looking at a very important question, a very important example, because from this example you'll be actually trying many concepts, and when you will be trying many concepts in one question, many things will be revised. So this is a very good question. But what I advise, I have given you the concepts. What you should do, try to solve this example on yourself first, and then look at how I am solving. That would be good. And if you are able to solve, write the answer in the comment box so that I know that you solved it by yourself. Okay, I am starting now. See, question is, a die is tossed thrice. A success is getting 1 or 6 on a toss. Find mean, variance and standard deviation of the number of successes. How will get the probability distribution? For the discrete probability distribution, we need two things. First is xi and second is pi. This is the variate and this is the probability associated with the variate. What are the variates? A die is tossed thrice. That is, there are a number of trials. You are tossing the die as a trial. So there are a number of trials. A success is getting 1 or 6 on a toss. That is, we have an event. That event is to get 1 or 6. Now, question is in the number of successes. That is, we'll have to find if out of 3 we have 2 events where we get 1 or 6. That is, out of n number of trials, exactly r number of times when our event E has occurred. This is binomial. This can be obtained by binomial theorem of probability. So, what is binomial theorem of probability? It says this is equal to n CR, that is the probability is given by n CR P. If the probability of getting 1 or 6 is P, then P to the power R, and Q is 1 minus P, that is not getting that event. This is n minus R. This is what we get from binomial theorem. So now we'll apply it. Let's say, as I said, P is the probability of getting 1 or 6 in one trial. Clear? Then Q is probability of not getting 1 or 6 in one trial. Clear? What is it? Getting 1 or 6. 1 out of 6, the probability is 1 by 6, and 6 is again 1 by 6. So if we throw a die, either getting 1 or 6, that is 2 out of 6, the probability is 1 by 3. Therefore, Q is 1 minus 1 by 3, that is 2 by 3. Obviously, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 by 6. So that is Q. Now we have P and Q. Now, what are the possibilities of successes? First time we throw the we throw the die 3 times. Let's say the variate is 0. That is, we don't get success any other time. That is this one, xi this. Or it can be written as Px equal to 0. Clear? Xi equal to 0. What is this? This will be n. N is 3 and C is 0, getting 0 times. P, that is 1 by 3 to the power 0. And then 2 by 3 to the power 3 minus 0, that is 3. What it will be? How do we calculate it? Factorial 3, factorial r, factorial n minus r. So this is 1 and this is 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. Okay? So this is 8 by 27. So for this it is 8 by 27. This is our discrete probability distribution. Second, let's calculate it for 1. That is, out of 3, we have a success at least 1 time. That is 3C1, 1 by 3, 1, 2 by 3, 2. So this is factorial 3, factorial 1, factorial 2. Okay? 1 by 3, 4 by 9. This is 3. Then 3 cancels. So this is 4 by 9. So for xi equal to 1, This is 4 by 9. Let's calculate it for x equal to 2. 3c2 1 by 3 2 2 by 3 1. So this is factorial 3 factorial 2 factorial 3 minus 2, that is 1 1 by 9 2 by 3. So this is factor, this is we get 3 3 cancel, so this is 2 by 9. So for 2 it is 2 by 9. Then for 3, that is we get 1 or 6 each time. Every time we have thrown the die for 3 times, and every time, that is the first, second and third, we are getting either 1 or 6. We'll have 3c3 p, that is 1 by 3 to the power 3, 2 by 3 to the power 3, this cn minus r, that is 3 minus 3 is 0. So this is factorial 3 by factorial 3 factorial 0 1 by 27, and this is 1. So this cancels, so the probability is 1 by 27. So for 3 it is 1 by 27. Okay, so we have created our discrete probability distribution. Now from this is the first part. From probability distribution we can find the mean, variance and standard deviation. How? Now I am doing. I had told you in the last lecture what is mean. Mean is xi into fxi, that is what we call pi, that is xi into pi. So we'll do that. Xi is 0 into 8 by 27 plus 1 into 4 by 9 plus 2 into 2 by 9 and plus 3 into 1 by 27. This is 4 by 9 plus 4 by 9 plus 3 1 by 9. So this is 4 plus 4 plus 1 9 9 by 9, that is 1. So our mean is 1. This is our first answer. Clear? So we have found the first answer, mu is equal to 1. Now we are doing the second part. It says variance. What is variance? You are well aware of this formula. I had discussed this in the last class also, and if you have any difficulty, you should go to my lecture on standard deviation and variance. There you will find about this formula. It is given by fxi, that is our pi, into xi square minus mu square. This we have 1. What is this? Let's find this one. This is, first is 0 xi, so I am leaving it. Then we have fxi is, pi is 4 by 9 into 1 square plus, this is 2, plus 2 by 9 into 2 square, that is 4, plus 1 by 27 into 3 square, that is 9, minus mu square. So what this will be? This is 4 by 9, then 8 by 9, and then you can say 3 by 9. So 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 4, 15 by 9. So that is 5 by 3. So this is 5 by 3 and minus mu square, 1 square, 1. So this is equal to 2 by 3. So we have got our variance. Variance is equal to 2 by 3. Variance is 2 by 3. Then standard deviation is very simple. Standard deviation is root over 2 by 3. You can, this is equal to 0.8165. Clear?